Now proceeding forward, if I ask you to print a statement, let us say India has a population of 132 crores 65 lakh and 72,000. So in order to print out this statement using the code that we have written here, let us write our print statement. So let us write system dot out dot print. Now within the brackets, instead of writing India, let us use this variable as name. Let us now run the code. So in the output we have India. Now as per our objective, we have to append has population of this much again. So what we can do, after name, let us put the plus sign. If you want, you can give a space here and then use the double quote. And within the double quote, give it a space. Let us copy the code from here, has population of, and again give a space within the double quote. Let us now run the code. So here we got India has a population of. So what the compiler has done, it has simply interpreted name as India and then appended this string has population of. And then at the end I want to append this value which is actually present within the population variable. Let us use after the quote plus sign and then use population variable. Let us now run the code. So here we get India has population of this much value. So now you can notice how we have simply used the variable name with the help of plus symbol and then the text or a string and then again the population, which is replaced by its value in the output console here. And now if I append some text here inside the comment and ask you to print this statement as well and the population density of this much person per square kilometer. So for that, let us copy the text till here and then after population, let us use plus double quote open and close, and within the double quote, let us paste it and make sure before and give it a space, and after of let us use this value which is stored inside the population density. Let us use population density and then again use the plus symbol, double quote open and close, and within the double quote let us paste this text. And now let us run the code. So here we get India has population of this much and population density of 393.0 person per square kilometer. So in this way you can then print out the GDP, currency, and also if it is a secular state or not, like this inside the system.out.print statement.